All right. Question 1. Janelle measures the diameter of her screen on her phone to be 145 millimeters. Using a ruler marked in 5 millimeter divisions. So, what is the accuracy? It's not. Read it again.
So it's every 5. So
Correct. It's 5. So the limit of accuracy is 5. Accuracy equals 5. And then, of course, error would equal to half of 5, which is 2.5. And then, of course, what's the percentage error? So percentage error equals 2.5 over original times 100. Original, measurement, right? Whatever you've been measuring in. Sorry, whatever you've measured, 145 times 100. So what's the answer to that?
B.
C? B?
B.
Thank you. Did you get it out, Bianca? Exactly like that?
Yeah.
Good work.
I started on probability the other day, so this is my next.
Nice. Should be easy. Nothing crazy in probability. Christian, what about you? Did you get question 1 out?
Question 1, I skipped it.
Skipped, yeah, so you didn't know it either. Do you understand what we've done?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
I just didn't know how to work it out.
Well.
Until now.
But you've done this, right, at school? Error?
Yeah, I have, but like the last time I've done it was like
a long time
a couple weeks ago.
Yep. Next term, in Year 12, each week you'll be getting an exam for homework. I'm not going to give you Year 12 homework. I'll be giving you exams for homework, just so that we don't have this problem that you just said. We don't come to a point where we need to revise everything and you guys are like, I did, but I did it back in term 1 and I forgot everything about it. So I'll fix that problem for you. Just do exams. The exams will be maybe like half an hour long. So they won't take long. It's just so that you don't say, I studied all this, but I forgot everything. So let's study again. I don't have that time in Year 12. Neither do you. Freud's formula. All good, Christian. Freud's formula below is used to give medication of dosages. A drug called Ledrol has an, or Ledrol, whatever you want to call this, has an adult dosage of 45 mils. Adult dosage of 45 mils. Using the formula to find the dosage for a child who is 16 months old. I think that's pretty straightforward. You're just going to plug it into the formula. So it should be 16 times 45 over 150. Answer is D. Everyone's happy with that?
Yeah.
What is the shaded area in terms of pi? We've done this a few times right now, right? Annulus, it's up to you how you do it. You can use the actual formula, which is this, or you just know it's the bigger circles minus the smaller circle. The only thing is you've got to keep in mind radius. Your radius is 12, 6. So if you use this formula, 144, 12 squared minus 36, 6 squared. We're happy with that?
Yeah.
And then that looks like it's 108 pi.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you see the words in terms of pi, or that's another one, exact, it means don't plug in pi into your calculator.
Yeah.
Pretty much. So just leave it as exact, which is 108 pi. Any questions? What number did we get up to? 5 or 5? All right, we'll get up to 5 as well. A clothes dryer is rated at 3,000 watts and is used for 2.5 hours per week. If electricity costs 15 cents per kilowatt hour, so that's important. It says kW, not just W. So it's not the same. And then hour, which means multiply by hour, right? Can you see it's kW times H. So multiply, find the cost of using dryer for a year. So this would be my math. 3,000 watts over 1,000 gets me 3 kilowatts. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's pretty easy from there, right? 15 cents, so 0.15 times 3 times 2.5 hours per week times 52 weeks in a year. It's a whole lot of multiplying. Yeah, easy stuff. I reckon the answer from the top of my head is going to be A. Really? Is it? Fair
Yeah.
enough. Yeah, done. 300, 0.15. Yeah, you're right, actually. I was going to go B. All good. I failed. Oksana. That's a nice name. Oksana. Interesting. Sells furniture. Why? Which she purchases from a manufacturer. Fair enough. To determine her retail price, she adds 40% to the wholesale price. Do we understand what that means? That means 140%. We don't use 40% because you can work for this one, maybe this question, maybe, I don't know. But if we're going to go the other way around, backwards, stuff that we saw last week, if you're going to go backwards, you gotta use 140%. It just won't work otherwise. She must then add So don't do 10 plus 40 is 50%. You first do the 140, then you add 10%, which is 110. What would you pay for a bed when it cost 860 for Oksana? It'll be 860 times 1.4 or 140% times, obviously, 1.1 or 110%. And then that's apparently B. Anyone stuck or done more questions?
Same.
Yep. Where did you stop, Bianca?
Up to here, 5.
Up there? Okay. Then I'll leave it there and I'll get you guys continuing from there.
Mhm.
Off the recording.